Hi there. Now, it certainly is a challenge to find the 5 best air fryers worthy of your earned money. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Ninja Air Fryer. When we tested air fryers the first time, the Ninja proved itself the best model for chicken wings. That's still the case, but we found this machine also cooked many other things well in this latest round of air fryer testing, landing in the top spot on our updated list. The Ninja was the most powerful air fryer we tested, blasting chicken wings to crispy goodness the fastest. Speed is a big draw since it means you'll get that desired crispy outer layer faster with less risk of drying out the inside of a chicken wing, French fry or whatever else you're making. The Ninja also has very simple controls, whereas some air fryer interfaces were overly complicated or had buttons and dials that just didn't make much sense. With the Ninja, there are only 4 buttons to control the cook mode: air fry, roast, reheat and dehydrate, as well as simple buttons to control the temperature and time. That's about it, and, honestly, that's really all you need. The Ninja also has a simple, solid build with what feels like high-grade plastic. The basket slides into the base securely with no wobble. Number 2. Our second best pick is Deluxe Electric Air Fryer. This oversized air fryer is easy on the eyes. The Deluxe has the largest cooking capacity of any of the ovens we tested with a 6-quart cooking basket. It also has some undeniable retro appeal and is available in a few fun colors. The appliance we tested was aqua, though it also comes in red, black and white. This model also has all manual controls with no presets and was exceedingly simple to operate, and also comes with an air fryer recipe guide. I rarely rely solely on food manufacturer recommendations or oven presets, but rather use them as a loose guide and do lots of peeking and checking along the way. The Dash has exactly 0 presets and no cooking modes such as roast or dehydrate, but still got the most important jobs done. The Dash is also solidly built, although not quite as sound as the Ninja. It's also on the heavy side, so this is one you might need to find a permanent home for. If you like this model but prefer a smaller size, the compact model is for just $50 right now. Number 3. Our third best pick is Magic Bullet Air Fryer. I'm going to level with you, air fryers can be a little bulky. In fact, they're one of the larger countertop appliances you can purchase, and if you have a small kitchen with limited countertop square footage, you're going to have to account for that. One workaround is nabbing a hybrid countertop oven that serves as a toaster, convection oven and air fryer. The Ninja Foodie is my favorite, and it even flips up to sit no more than 7 inches from the wall when not in use. Another option is buying a smaller solo air fryer, and NutriBullet's new Magic Bullet Air Fryer is our pick for the best compact air fryer in 2022. This model obviously won't hold as much as the others on the list, but in our testing, it showed good power so you could cook fairly quickly in batches if need be. The Magic Bullet Air Fryer crisped chicken wings and Brussels sprouts nicely and got the fries to gold brown as fast as any other air fryer on our list. I imagine the small basket accounts for this machine's fast cooking. It also has very simple analog dials and wasn't very noisy while in action. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Instant Pot Duo Crisp. If you're eyeing an air fryer but also an Instant Pot or another multi-cooker, let me save you some money and kitchen space. The Instant Pot Duo does all the work of the popular multi-cooker, pressure cooker, slow cooker, steam and sauté, but comes with a separate air fryer lid and cooking function as well. I found the air fryer function worked as well or better than most of the solo air fryers I tested. One reason, and one you might consider a drawback, is that the cooking capacity is relatively small, which generally translates to better air fryer results since the hot circulating air will hit the food harder, hotter and faster. Instant Pot's Duo model made incredible crispy fried chicken, wings, veggies and other classics, but know that you'll likely have to cook in batches if you're making food for a group. It's also a solid deal. The Duo Crisp can often be found hovering around $110 for the most popular 6-quart size. When you separately price out the cost of a good air fryer and an Instant Pot, the grand total will almost surely be more than that. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact Air Fryer boasts the simplest design of all the air fryers I tested, making it very user-friendly and virtually plug and play. While you won't have the advantages of presets for commonly cooked foods, there are also no menus to cycle through and not a single button to press. The interface consists simply of a temperature dial and a time dial, and as soon as you twist your dial to the desired time, the air fryer kicks on. And just because it's simple doesn't mean it's a slouch. It exceeded expectations in my cook tests and even produced the most successful batch of broccoli. It's a bit less powerful than the other air fryers we recommend, but I think that works to its advantage. Its compact size can be A+ or A- depending on your needs. It's great for those with limited counter space or those who are cooking for a couple or just themselves, and it's even small enough to tuck into a cabinet when not in use. But if you need to cook for a large family, you'll likely find yourself making batch after batch with this petty appliance. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.